I am Vinay, English teacher from Sri Siddhaganga Public School, Kodal Sangam. Students, today I prepared a new lesson for you, that is Robot and the Cobbler. This story is about a poor cobbler, Harry. Let us see who his kind friend is. Before the lesson, let me discuss with you the meanings of new words of this lesson. Here, poor. Poor means having little money or few possessions. Okay, ones who cannot fulfill their dreams. And cobbler. Cobbler means a person who makes or repairs shoes. Then hut. Hut means a small, simple, single story house or shelter. The next one, lace. It means a cord or leather strip passed through eyelets or hooks on opposite sides of a shoe and then pulled tight and fastened. We say lace. Next, cupboard. Cupboard means a recess or piece of furniture with a door and typically shelves used for storage. The next one, leather. It means a material made from the skin of an animal by tanning or a similar process. The next one, surprise. It means wonder or amazing. Next, tonight. It means on the present or approaching evening or night or today night. The next one, hide. It means put or keep out of sight. The next one, greedy. It means having or showing an intense and selfish desire for wealth or power. Next, kind. It means having or showing friendly, generous and considerate nature. Next one, corner. It means a place or angle where two sides or edges meet. Next one, stitch. It means a loop of thread or yarn resulting from a single pass or movement of the needle in sewing, knitting or crocheting. The last one, whisper. It means talk in a low voice or speak softly. Let me explain the story Robot and the Cobbler. Hari is a poor cobbler. He lives in a small hut with his wife Girija. One day, he makes a beautiful pair of shoes. They are red with white laces. He puts them on the table in his shop. Students, Hari is a poor cobbler. Poor cobbler. Poor means having little money. And cobbler means a person. A person who makes or mends or repairs shoes, chappals. So we say cobbler. Hari is a poor cobbler. He has no enough money to fulfill his dreams or to buy luxurious things like a car, bungalow, mobile, TV, fridge, bike, etc. And he wears torn clothes. Can you see this picture? Okay, he wears torn clothes and lives in a small house which built by straw, mud and bamboo sticks. So hut means small crude shelter used as a dwelling. His house is not strong and good. He lives along with his wife Girija. So who is Girija? Girija is the wife of Hari. So both of them live happily in a small hut. So what is the profession of Hari? Hari's profession is mending or repairing the shoes or chappals. So it is his daily work. Okay, one day he makes a beautiful pair of shoes. They are red with white laces. So, can you appear the laces? Okay, laces means a cord or leather strip passed through eyelets or hooks on opposite sides of a shoe and then pulled tight and fastened. So, we say shoes, laces. So, your shoes have laces, you know. How do you tie your shoes? With a shoes lace. You tie it, fasten and come to school. Correct? No? And he puts or kept those shoes on the box in his shop. Next, a small boy walks into his shop. He looks at the shoes. He tries them on. The shoes fit him. He wants to buy the shoes, but he has no money. He has a strange toy with him. Students, a small boy. He came into his shop along with a strange toy. So, a small boy came into his shop to purchase the shoes along with a robot, and he looks at those shoes. The small boy, a boy, he looks at the red shoes with white laces. He takes those shoes for a trial. Children, when you went to clothes center for purchasing dress, what do? You take for trial now. Correct? No? Same as the boy takes those shoes for trial and those shoes fit to him. So, he wants to buy those shoes, but he has no money. He has a strange toy with him. The next, he gives that toy to Harry. The boy tells him that its name is Robot. It can do many things. It can walk, talk, sing and dance. Harry and his wife are happy. Harry says, "Leave Robot with us. Come after 3 days to take it." See the students here. The boy gives that toy to Harry instead of money, and he tells him that its name is Robot. What is its name? Its name is Robot. So, it can do many things. So, what can it do? It can walk. See, this robot can walk. It can talk like a human beings. Okay. And it can sing like a singers. And it can dance. So, it can do many things. So, when Hari and his wife Girija heard about the robot's functions, that they are very happy. And Hari says to the boy, "Leave this robot with us and come after 3 days to take this robot." So, the boy leaves his robot with Hari and Girija instead of money. The boy put off those red shoes and went away. In the evening, Hari wants to work. He looks in his cupboard. He finds that there is no leather left in the cupboard. See, in the evening, the same day, in the evening, Hari wants to make a new pair of shoes, and he looks in his cupboard. He finds that there is no leather, there is no enough leather left in his cupboard to make a pair of new shoes. Hurry, there is no leather in the cupboard. I cannot make any shoes, Girija said. Don't worry, I have a small piece in my box. You can use that. So that night, Hari cuts a pair of shoes with this piece. Then he goes to bed. The next morning, he gets a surprise. See, Hari said to his wife, Girija, that there is no leather in the cupboard. Okay, and he cannot make any shoes without leather. And Girija replied to him, don't worry, Hari, I have a small piece in my box. I have a small piece of leather in my box. You can use that leather to make shoes. So Girija gives Hari a small piece of leather and Hari cuts a pair of shoes with this piece. But that night he does not make a new pair of shoes. Instead, he goes to bed. The next morning, when he woke up, he gets a surprise. Hari, look Girija, a pair of shoes. Girija said, they are so beautiful. Now we can sell these shoes and get money. Hari buys leather with the money he gets. He cuts off a pair of shoes. He is tired, so he does not finish them. He leaves them on the table and goes to bed. In the morning, he gets a surprise once again. There is a pair of new shoes on the table. Students, Hari calls when he woke up from his bed and he looks at his box, and Hari calls his wife and pointed towards the new shoes and said, look Girija, a pair of new shoes. So Girija says, they are so beautiful. Now we can sell these shoes in the market and get money. So Hari goes to market with those shoes, sells those new shoes and buys leather with the money he gets and comes to home. At his home, he cuts leather which he purchased from the market and he made small pieces to make a new pair of shoes. But he tired. He wants to sleep, so he does not finish his work. He leaves the leather strip on the table or on the box and goes to bed. So in the morning, when he woke up from his bed again, he gets a surprise. So he wondered, looking at the new pair of shoes once again. So there is a pair of new shoes on the box and he calls his wife and said, Hari, he said, look Girija, again a pair of shoes. The Girija says, let's find out who does this and thank him. Hari, tonight let's hide and see. That night they hide behind the door. Soon they hear a sound. It goes whir, whir. They see a robot move. As it moves, it sings. See, the Hari, he calls his wife and said, look Girija, again a pair of shoes. They could not understand. See, they could not understand who made those shoes and where those shoes come from. So Girija has a curiosity to know about the shoes, that where they come from. So children, do you think where those shoes come from or who meant those shoes? Do you know? So Hari says to his wife, today night we will hide behind the cupboard and see who makes the shoes. So that night, husband and wife hide behind the cupboard. See, they are hiding here. So they both of them hide behind the cupboard. So cupboard means a piece of furniture with a door, and it is used to store things like a clothes, jewelry, money or other things. Okay. Soon they hear a sound like a whir, whir. They are looking. at the robot move which is in the corner. As it moves, it sings. It is singing beep beep. Everyone is asleep. I like to help Harry, who is not at all greedy. He is good and kind in the morning. A new pair of shoes I want him to find. See, robot is making a new pair of shoes as it singing. Do you know why does the robot helps Harry to making shoes? Because Harry is not a greedy person. Greedy means having or showing an intense and selfish desire for wealth or power. So he is not greedy. He is a generous, kind person. He will be friendly with everyone. So his kindness and generous is liked by the robot. So the robot helps him to making or mending shoes. And robot finished his work and again made a new pair of shoes and stands in a corner. So corner means a place or angle where two sides or edges meet. Harry, such a kind friend. Then Girija says, I have an idea. Let's stitch new clothes and a pair of shoes for robot. Harry is happy. He stitches a pair of new shoes for robot. Girija stitches a new dress for it. They dress up robot and wait for the little boy. So they dress up robot and wait for the little boy. See, by seeing all this incident, Harry exclaimed that what a kind friend he is. So why does he say so? Do you know, my dear children? The robot, without any expectation from Harry, so he mends shoes for Harry's family. So Harry exclaimed the greatness of robot. So Girija has an idea. What does it? Do you know? Yes, Harry and Girija wants to make something for robot. So Harry stitches a pair of new shoes for robot. And Girija stitches a new dress for robot. And both of them dress up robot and wait for the little boy. Then the next day the boy comes. He gives money to Harry for the shoes. He looks at robot. The little boy says, robot looks smart. Thank you for the new dress and shoes for robot. See, my dear students, and Harry holds robot in his arms. Girija kisses it. Robot whispers, thank you. See, after 3 days, the boy comes back. He gives money to Harry for the shoes, which he bought without money. He looks at robot and says, robot looks so smart. And the boy thanks to Harry and Girija that for the new dress and shoes for robot. And Harry holds robot in his arms and Girija kisses it as a love and affection. So the robot speaks in a low voice. Okay, thank you. So whisper means talk in a low voice or speak softly. So the robot speaks softly. So how? Thank you. So likewise. Did you understand this story? Dear students or dear children, what did we learn from this story? Have you understood? Do you know? We learned from this story kindness and helping are the most important tools to spread love among humanity. So have you understood? I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.